Welcome family, welcome friends, welcome fellow creatives. Chevsy here, accompanied by George. You ready to do this, George? Of course you are, mate. The summer is here and we're ready to go. It's just been a while since my last video, so I apologise for that, but we're going to try and ramp it up again and just try and get some more content for you guys to hopefully enjoy. Obviously, if you do enjoy it, then a cheeky like and subscription is very much appreciated, and comment as well, because I'd love to hear any feedback, whether it's good or bad, preferably good, but yeah, whatever you feel like commenting, it'd be really good to hear from you. So yeah, today's canvas we have a 91 by 61, and it's a boxed canvas again, and this one is from an work colleague of mine, and she commissioned it a little while ago, so apologies Alex, it's been a little bit of a delay. Yeah, I know. So it's finally being done, and we're going to record a video for her to check out, and for you guys to hopefully enjoy as well. So yeah, it's going to be we're going to have a black background and then multiple colours, and I'm very happy because I've just had a delivery from Arteza, which is awesome. Like any artist would know, when you get a new set of paints, you're just really happy and buzzy to use them. So yeah, I'm gonna crack on with these. So yep, me and George, you ready? You're ready, mate. You're always ready. Guys, I hope you enjoy, and thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in a bit. Enjoy the pour.
Thanks so much again for stopping in and checking out the video. If obviously you're enjoying it and you want to support the channel, then as mentioned previously, subscription would be fantastic. Alongside, if you've got any comments or questions, then please pop them down, and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. But in the meantime, please enjoy the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.